Hello everyone and welcome back to Sign Language Worship. This week we're learning how to sign Who Else by Gateway Worship. So we're going to split this song into 4 different parts. Today we'll learn the verses, tomorrow we'll learn the chorus and the bridge, then the next day we'll do a walkthrough, and then finally we're going to sign with the music. So let's get started. After some reminders, remember, I am left-handed. That means if you are right-handed, you're going to mirror my signs. If you look below the video in the description, there is a link to print off the lyrics. And last but not least, please consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, verse 1. I am an instrument of exaltation. So we're going to just do really simple. I exalt you. Okay? So pointing to yourself, I, and then exalt. So there are a couple different options for exalt. We're going to have H's. We're going to stand them up. We're going to move it there. But because we're only saying, I exalt you, I'm going to add a little bit of emphasis, just like, oh my, oh, so much. So I exalt you. But if you want to keep it nice and simple, feel free to just go, I exalt you. Okay, I'm an instrument of exaltation. I was born to lift your name above all names. So we're going to leave I was born out of it because it just kind of makes it confusing. And just say, I lift, okay, lift something up, your, God in heaven, it belongs to him, your name. So once again, you have H's and you kind of make them into a cross. Name above. Dominant hand is above the non-dominant hand. All names. Okay, so from the top. I am an instrument of exaltation. I was born to lift your name above all names. Okay, you hear a melody. You, pointing to God in heaven, hear. Or sometimes you'll see it like this, here. Okay? But nice and simple, just pointing to your ear. You hear a melody, a song. Okay? So using your dominant hand, do the tempo, the song over your forearm. Okay? A melody of all creation, all the world. Okay? I've started signing world like this. You may have remembered older videos where I'll go W like this. Both are fine. Okay? World or world. Sign language is a living language. It's always changing. Okay? But there's a song of praise that only I can sing. So for emphasis, you can do but you don't have to. So cross your fingers and then bring them out. A song, again, is same as melody, of praise, clapping going up towards heaven, that only I bring. Only. Okay, this is a sign that we use a lot. Only. Only I. And then instead of bring, I'm going to do that I sing. Okay? From the top. That's all of verse 1. So, I am an instrument of exaltation. I was born to lift your name above all names. You hear a melody of all creation, but there's a song of praise that only I can sing. Can I bring? And then it goes into the chorus. We'll learn that tomorrow. Nice and easy though. And then the second verse, you are the infinite God of all ages. So pointing to God. So you are forever. So for that, it's always. Notice only and always are similar, but always doesn't kind of have that flick in the beginning. Okay? So always, and then switch to a Y and push it out. Okay? You are the infinite God, and then because we just said forever God, we don't have to sign of all ages again. So you are the infinite God of all the ages, yet You chose. So for that, you're going to pick something out of the crowd. Chose. Okay, find is down here. To find something, we're going to choose something up here. Choose to make my heart. You chose my heart to live. Okay, we're saying you chose my heart. So an outline of the heart, and then live is L's like this. Well, often you'll see it thumbs up like this. Okay. And then why don't we do that from the top? Okay, we'll do verse 2 from the top. So you are the infinite God of all the ages, yet you chose to make my heart your dwelling place. You chose my heart to live. You healed my brokenness. You, and then healed, it's like you're pulling sickness out of your body. You healed my brokenness, showed me your glory. So you can do showed like this. I'm going to do it like this because it's directional, but I want you to be able to see what I'm doing. So I have a finger in front of my open palm. Showed. Okay? Showed me your glory. Okay? Your middle finger coming out from your palm, and then shake those hands. Okay, just the hand going up. Show me your glory. And I have songs of thanks. Okay, songs of thanks. Not even angels sing. So you have a couple options here. You can say, only I sing, or you can say angels. So you're showing the wings. Angels don't sing. And you choose what feels most comfortable to you. And that's verse 1 and 2. Let's do it from the top, okay? So, I am an instrument of exaltation. I was born to lift your name above all names. You hear a melody of all creation, but there's a song of praise that only I can bring, but I do sing. And then it goes to the chorus, who else is worthy? Then verse 2, you are the infinite God of all the ages, yet you chose to make my heart your dwelling place. You healed my brokenness, showed me your glory. So I have songs of praise. Not even angels sing. Okay, angels don't sing. Or another option there, that I have songs of thanks. Sorry, I think I did praise there. Songs of thanks that only I sing. Okay, you can do that as well. And that's verse 1 and 2. So practice that as many times as you need to. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video where we learn the chorus and the bridge. Bye. God commands us in the Bible to not be discouraged. And I just want to remind you that God cares far more about the condition of your heart than the position of your hands. So stick with it. You'll get there. And when you're ready, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.